The Biodiversa Plus project on Bridging Values for Just Conservation is about a better understanding of how global conservation policy influences and manifests in specific locations in terms of protected areas or other types of conservation management schemes around the world.
The first meeting we had was in Sweden, a kick-off meeting with all the partners of the consortia member universities. It was a wonderful occasion to meet all our partners from Spain, South Africa, Brazil, Germany. This project is very timely in terms of its possible interventions in the future and as well as its aim and vision in a world that is so polarized, dual between the North and the South. We need even more collaborations that are bridging between the two worlds.
Well, for me, land is really at the center of any kind of endeavor to achieve the Sustainable Development Goals, especially in these places where livelihoods are still very dependent on land.
The first and the most important highlight of our trip is the signing of letter of agreement with the National University of Laos. I think that's an important milestone, not just only for our Bridging Values research project, but also for the Wyss Academy. And I believe that National University of Laos is a very good organization to work with for our research project.
Okay, please give loud applause.
As I found in this field trip, I asked several households, and they answer, even they have income from another source, for example cattle, but they still spare to plant their rice because they feel that it's more delicious and they feel like it's more value for them.
I think it's something to do with the culture. It's like bread in Europe, you know. I mean, it's difficult for me to say why it is important. I think it's just like how the culture shaped the people because, you know, we were raised with rice.